First on the list is gain expertise in programming languages such as Python, Java, or JavaScript. These languages are the cornerstone of the tech industry, paving the way for opportunities in software development and related sectors. You can learn them through online platforms offering structured courses, or by practicing on your own with the help of online resources. Next up is, in an age where the internet is a global marketplace, knowing how to market products or services effectively online is a game changer. Skills such as search engine optimization, social media marketing, and email marketing can be learned through various online courses or by working on real projects. Thirdly, we have, in a world drowning in data, the ability to sift through the noise and derive meaningful insights is invaluable. Master tools like Excel, SQL, or data visualization software to interpret large data sets. This skill is highly sought after in a variety of industries, and there are numerous resources online to help you get started. Fourth on our list is, the art of articulating ideas confidently and persuasively is vital in almost every professional setting. Whether it's for presentations, meetings, or networking events, being an effective communicator can set you apart. Join a local speaking club, take an online course, or practice in front of friends and family to hone this skill. Finally, we have understanding how to budget, invest, and comprehend the complex world of financial markets empowers you to make informed decisions about your personal or business finances. There are countless books, podcasts, and online courses available to help you boost your financial knowledge. Now that you know the 5 skills to learn, it's time to take action. Begin with one and gradually work your way through the list. If you're eager to dive deeper into any of these, drop a comment below. We'd love to know which skill you'll be starting with. Thank you immensely for tuning in until the end. If you haven't yet subscribed to James's channel, now's the time. If you found this video helpful, show some love with a like. Your support keeps us going. Thank you.